welcome back to our channel, and today we are going for outing with a friend of mine, and we'll be joining some of his friends. It's going to be an interesting outing anyway. See you! Let us go and find out how the day is going to be. We are going to explore a river near Kohima. Kohima, Dzii river. Okay, so we are going there. Let us see how we are going to enjoy the day. Let's see you. 4 lanes in Kohima. This is the area where you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lanes in Kohima. See that? So cool, no? On the way to Rosuma. Yeah, so this is how we are going about Rosuma Punchilia. It's good there. So we have to go through this Rosuma village. But the scenery is so cool. I'll be interacting with Angami Youths, and then I like to analyze their food habits. I like to interact with them and find out how friendly they are. Then I'll interact with them and find out how is their attitude towards an outsider like me being just coming to the program. So I'll be mingling with Angamis, interacting with them. We'll find out. I'll try to observe their behaviors. I'll try to capture how is their mindset. I will be mingling with Angamis and finding out. This is your confession. By the way, please do subscribe our channel so that we can grow together as a youth confession community. Let us go. Chalo. Mini beach. Chalo. Ulaibi. Yeah. It means I'll remove. So I'm going to remove my shoes in order to proceed. Yeah. Come on, sisters, I'm going to interact with you guys. 10 years of Angami. Anyway, good that I'm mingling with Angami Youths. I get to this feeling. 3 of you, so you can join. Come. Since I'm interacting with all of you, I just want to. Where did you go just now? Downside. No, I am Roviso enough. Okay. And if you can introduce your names, it would be great. I would like to know your names. Aquino. Okay, she's Aquino. And you?
I'm Christina.
Okay, she's Christina. And then Timmy. Oh, where are you from? Kohima. You have to visit the place. And you?
Yeah, same place.
Kohima, you Chipoviso. Oh, you have to visit all the places. By the way, I'm just a stranger in your midst, right? Before I was taking a photo of you when you're. What was your thought about me? Means, just I want to get your opinion.
I thought you were Angami.
Oh, she thought I was an Angami, which everybody thinks that. And you?
What else? I thought you were a brother.
Oh, she thought I was a brother. Let's say, what is the special food habit of Angami? What is that? Zuto or?
Maybe Zuto. Maybe we are very fond of dried meat also.
Dry meat. Oh, dry meat. I don't know whether I'll be able to taste dry meat or not today. I don't think.
Yeah, today you won't get it.
But anyway, thank you for your time. Huh?
Okay, yeah, thank you too.
Some more are coming. They don't know that I'm analyzing their community, but it's fine. Really? Hello, bro. Tired?
No.
He's still full of energy and vibrant. And what about you?
Yeah, me too. I'm not tired.
You're not tired. Hello, sisters. How's your downward trip? It's wonderful. And both of you, the other, any response? Sure only. And then you?
Hello, hi. Yeah, so we are here at the river.
The river.
Yeah.
Okay,
and
that's
then
fine.
It is one of the biggest river in Nagaland. Everyone must come and share time.
And then you're holding something. You're holding something. If you can elaborate something on that.
This is hard. Love.
Again, you pose nicely. Okay, you can. Okay, so then I'm going to see her heart. I think you are keeping left side, so that means if your heart were to be that much big, to whom are you going to give?
I'm going to give someone else.
Good, Nicholas. Best of luck for you, Nicholas. It's fine. It's nice. You pose properly. It's good. Taking selfie. While you're clicking me, I'm also clicking you. It's good. And she's clicking her friend, right? Wow, it's beautiful. Draw. Oh. Here, I'm going to show how to do this. It will be deeper, okay? Careful. It's quite good. Yeah, good. Deeper than this. It's quite good. Dangerous also. Yeah, risky, dangerous. It is adventurous. Information today I'm with Angami Youths, and this vlog is solely about Angami people, except me. The rest are all Angamis. Well, I found a very unique stone. It has two colors. You see? It's in the shape of anda. I know how it came like this. It's cool to be here. I'm going to throw away. How we are retreating. You jump. This is the logo of our channel. This is the logo. Let's see what they have prepared. Some pork. How's the food, bro?
Nice one.
It's cool. Have well. I'll be having soon.
Okay.
Hello. Oh, you're eating from such a big lid. All the best. Make sure that you finish all the food.
We'll try our best.
Okay. Hello, brothers. Seems to be enjoying.
Yeah. Very much.
All the best.
Thank you.
I'm eagerly waiting to taste Angami dish.
Okay. Nice. Enjoy
Yeah.
the dish.
Sure. Finishing touch. See, these are all part of the day. Where are you going to carry that? From this vehicle?
Yeah.
Will it enter?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, so these are the people with whom I spent a day. It was very memorable one. It was fun at the same time. I have learned, I have enhanced my knowledge about the people, the Angami community. I think I'm going to give out of 10, 9. Yeah, I'll give 9. Their friendliness, their attitude towards stranger, their mindset, and then everything about them. It's just super. I'm giving 9 out of 10. So See you in the next vlog.